welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I am bringing another Amazon lace front wig unit to you. This company reached out to me and asked me to do a review on their wig. I have not opened it yet. I wanted to do it on camera. So here it is, still in the package. We got this nice Amazon gold packaging. So let's go ahead and open it. It's another bob unit. I love bobs. They're like super fun, professional, but edgy and sassy. So, ooh, pretty packaging. So this is the company name. And I'll put the information down in the description box below so you guys can have all this. And then here's some of the company's information. So this unit, I actually told them I wanted a side part. So it's supposed to be the side part. And this is their 10-inch lace front bob. And it is a 13 by 6 inch lace front. So it gives us plenty of parting space. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh. All right. So we... Oh. Have the wig cap, which like I said is not my color, but like I said before, what you could do is take some of your powder or foundation and just dab all over the wig cap once it's on your head to color it your way. I mean, to match the color that you need it to be. It does come with some handy instructions and care tips, so that's nice. And then we have the wig. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, hair is nice and soft, pretty straight already, so it seems like it'll probably straighten out pretty easily. So let's take a look at the inside of this unit. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the center, which I probably won't use. I rarely use the center comb, so I may just take that out. And 1 in the back, and then it has a little bit of lace in the back as well. And this one also comes with some adjustable straps. So I am gonna have to bleach these knots, or maybe I'll just see what happens if, because these knots are not that big. They're not the big ones. So maybe I'll just do the foundation trick, powder trick, and see how that works out. And then if it doesn't work out, I'll go back and bleach it. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I customize this unit, please stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video that I have coming your way. All right, let's hop into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do to get started is I'm going to bleach the knots, and if you want to see the full process and method that I use, I'll link that video up above so you can take a look at that. I will say with this particular unit, I didn't feel like the knots bleached easily. I did have to keep it on pretty long, almost until the point where the hair was starting to bleach. So if you're looking for a unit that doesn't require a whole lot of time to bleach the knots, then this may not be the unit for you. But with some work and some patience, you can definitely get them to bleach. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the parting space as well as the hairline to see if anything needs to be plucked. The hairline, or excuse me, the parting space looks pretty good to me. I'm just going to go in and make sure it's like nice and straight. And as far as the hairline goes, like, they really did a great job with pre-plucking this unit. Of course, you can always go in and customize it to your liking, but for me, I knew I was going to wear the hair to the side, and it was going to fall over the hairline, so I didn't need to necessarily go in and pluck any more out. But besides the fact, I mean, they did a pretty darn good job with plucking the hairline. So I'm going to leave it as is and move on to the next step, which is going in and placing some mousse on that parting space and just getting it nice and flat and some of those flyaways down.
I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm actually going to use a razor to do this, and I seen I think her name is OJ Beige do this method, and I really like it, so I think I may actually use it moving forward. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. So now I'm just going to flat iron the hair. It does straighten very well, like gives you that silk press look and feel. It's nice and soft. It doesn't require a lot of passes of the flat iron to get straight. So yeah, I love that about it. So I did it in pretty short amount of time. So in terms of size and fit of this unit, I would say it definitely is good for medium and larger size heads. I have a smaller size head, and I did have to adjust it so that it was on the snuggest and tightest option in terms of the elastic band. And I did sew in an elastic band too to make it even more snug on me. Like I said, it was a little bit big for me. After I flat ironed the hair, I noticed that there were some flyaways, so I'm just going in with some mousse to lay those down. Now it's time to take a look and see what she's looking like once she is on. So one thing I want to note is that I did not tint the lace on this. I wanted to see how it would look with just a medium brown wig cap on underneath, and it actually looked really good. You can always tint the lace, of course, to get an even more natural look, but I just wanted to show you guys how this looked when you don't tint the lace and you only bleach the knots. So let's see what she's looking like now that I have her completely on and styled. I am loving her. She looks amazing. So if you're looking for a nice bob unit that you can wear side part, middle part, straight, you know, with a nice little soft beach wave or anything like that, this would definitely be a great option. And of course, you can have her in 2 days because they do offer Amazon Prime on this item. So yeah, I love her. I'll put the link to this wig down in the description box below for anyone that is interested in getting more details.
what you guys think of this wig tutorial down in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you can put them down there and I'll answer those for you. I'll also put the information for the wig down in the description box as well, so you guys can go check it out, and all the pricing is very affordable. The quality is great and amazing, and as you can see, it didn't take very much to customize this unit. So I'm excited for you guys to, you know, let me know what you think and possibly check them out yourself. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.